Selamat sore. Good afternoon everyone, Kenneth here, and today it's been a while since the last time I uploaded how to reset something, and today is the newly unboxed Spunky Pro. So I hope this helps, and let's get right into the reset how to. Okay, so now let's quickly take a look at the user manual here. The instruction is right here. It's first to turn off both earbuds, and then you hold the touch sensor basically for 5 seconds until red and blue light flashes alternately. Then tap the button for 4 times until the indicator light goes off. So after that, you gotta hold the button for 3 seconds until blue light, and that's basically it. Okay, so let's do the reset together right now. And there will be voice prompts, so I don't know if you can hear it, but I'll put these earbuds closer so that you can hear. Okay, so first is to turn off both of these earbuds. We're gonna do a 5-second long hold, and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and red LED means it's off. That's good. And right now is the most tricky part. We have to hold for 5 seconds and then immediately tap 4 times. So let's do it right now in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there you go. It blinks red and blue alternatively, and I'm gonna tap 4 times. Okay, so you actually know that it's failed right here because both lights are still on. So after you tap 4 times, the earbuds should be off, and there will be voice prompt saying so. So it's better for you to do this inside your ear. So let's try to do it one more time here. You gotta put both on pairing mode. So both of them should be flashing red and blue really quickly when you want to tap 4 times. Let's start in 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and both are flashing blue. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be off right now. Okay, there you go. You can see that both of them are off, and we can safely turn them back on. 3-second hold, and that's on, and these earbuds should be paired. So there you go. Seems like this side is the master right now. We can see that it's there in the Bluetooth setting, ready to pair. Alright, so that is pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope this helps. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me down in the comments below. And I hope you got to fix yours and can enjoy the Tronsmart Spunky Pro. So that's pretty much it. Please do give it a thumbs up if you like it or if it helped. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of the True Wireless earbuds. And I'm Kenneth, checking out.